Spencer. Hey man, you like a reggae music, man? Go ahead, man. You dance to it, man. Oh, you can't zoom now. You got it in compact mode. Hey man, no problem, man. Where you from, brother, man? Hey man, shake your head. What's up, Spencer? Tell him something. Tell him to say something.
Give me a kiss.
No, say a word. It's funny, Spencer? It's funny? Laugh. 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 Is it funny, Spencer? Say a word, something he knows.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Spencer!
You silly.
You silly. It's funny? Laugh. 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 No, you laugh and then he'll laugh.
Spencer, you won't laugh.
He's in the music right now.
There he is.
What about Jizzle? What's up, Jizzle? Yeah, bitch. What's up, my nigga? What's up, brother? You think it's funny? You do?
You silly.
Oh, look, Jizzle's hiding. Yeah, I hear you squawking. You squawking at me. Yeah, man. Jizzle, I smack you, my nizzle. Don't give me no shit, man. I cook you for dinner. Little tasty little bird. Little mango colored bird, man.
Mango colored.
I eat your ass for supper, man. Don't play with me, Jizzle. And Spencer, man, you still do your dance, brother, man. No problem, man. Hey, man. Spencer, you okay, man?